Hey, what's going on guys? Guitar Basics here. I'm going to show you how to play Iris by the Goo Goo Dolls. The original tuning for this song is really weird, so I don't want to put you guys through that work, so I will be teaching this in standard tuning. But it's not super difficult. There's technically one bar chord, but other than that, very easy song to play, very recognizable. And this is genuinely one of my favorite songs to play. All right, let's get right into it. So we're first gonna find the 7th fret, and then we're gonna grab the top string there. Then we'll skip the next 2 strings, then put our ring finger down onto the 3rd string from the bottom, and then we'll throw our pinky down onto the bottom string. Then I would also suggest just putting your pointer finger down 1 fret back on the 3rd string from the bottom, because the only movement that's gonna happen here is we're just gonna lift up that ring finger. Here we're gonna strum down, down, up, up. After that, we're gonna lift up our ring finger like I mentioned, and now we're gonna go down, up, down, down. Except on the last down strum, we're gonna put our ring finger back down. So that whole part should sound like this. Next, we're gonna slide this whole shape down to the 3rd fret, and then we're just gonna move our ring finger down 1 string. And then here, I would suggest putting your pointer finger onto the bottom string of the 2nd fret, because again, the only movement that's gonna happen is just lift up that pinky. And then here, we're gonna do pretty much the same exact strumming. We're gonna start with down, down, up. We're gonna lift up our pinky, and then we'll go down, up, down, down. And then on that last down strum, we'll put our pinky back down. Everything so far should look and sound like this. After that, the hard part is over. It's super easy, just the open chords. So then we're gonna grab part of a D chord. So we'll grab the 3rd fret, 2nd string from the bottom, and then 2nd fret, 3rd string from the bottom. And here we'll just strum down, up. Then, keeping our ring finger in that same place, we're gonna form an E minor. So we'll just grab the 2nd and 3rd string from the top on the 2nd fret, and we're gonna do the same strumming pattern. Then we'll move to a G chord. All you really need to do is just move that middle finger up to the top string. And if you can, drop that pinky down onto the bottom string, 3rd fret. The super small difference on this G chord, we're actually gonna play that strumming pattern twice here. And so we'll play through all of that 3 times. Then it switches up a little bit, and now we're gonna grab that bar chord that I've mentioned. And so it's gonna be an A minor shaped bar chord on the 2nd fret barring. And here we're just gonna go down, up, and then mute. Then we'll grab an A major, so we'll just cover the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th string from the bottom. And again, we're gonna go down, up, mute. And then last, we'll just end with a strum on a G chord. So that whole part should sound like this. So the whole thing, start to finish, should look and sound like this. And that's the whole song. It's that easy. Thank you all so much for watching. Feel free to leave any questions about the tutorial or any requests for future songs in the comments, and I will try to get to them as best as I can. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next one.